Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from Suraj Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, in last video I taught you topic issue of share at premium. Today I am starting my new topic. Topic name is issue of share consideration other than cash. What is the meaning of issue of share consideration other than cash? If a company purchase assets and instead of paying cash, company are issuing shares to the vendor. That is known as purchase consideration other than cash. If company purchase assets and instead of paying in cash, company issue share to the vendor, that is known as purchase consideration other than cash. Dear students, share can be issued two types, at par and at premium. At par, at premium. If a company issues shares to vendor, then what entry will be passed? Now discuss on this topic. First of all, if a company purchase assets to the vendor, assets, real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out, cash goes out. For purchase assets, your entry will be assets account debit, assets account debit to vendor account. Your entry will pass assets account debit to vendor account. If company paying some cash or by draft or by accepting a bill, then your entry will be passed for paying some part in cash. In cash, your entry will be vendor receiver, vendor account debit to cash account. For issuing shares, share can be issued two types, at par. When share issued at par. At par, first of all we calculate number of shares. Number of shares. How we calculate number of shares? Vendor divided by face value. Vendor divided by face value. If we divide the vendor to the face value, then number of shares result, and your entry will be passed vendor account debit to share capital account. Here, number of shares multiply by face value. If we issue share at par, then vendor divided by face value, we receive number of shares, your entry will pass. Vendor account debit to share capital, and share capital amount will be calculated through the number of shares multiplied by face value. When share is issued at premium, calculate number of shares. How we calculate number of shares? Vendor upon face value plus premium. Face value plus premium. Your entry will be passed vendor account debit to share capital account, number of shares into face value, to security premium, reserve account, to security premium reserve account. To understand it, dear students, now I will discuss a practical problems related to your book. Dear students, in your book, I am taking question number 10. First of all, I will erase the blackboard. Yes, dear students, let's come on the question. Question number 10. Vimal Limited purchased machinery of 9,90,000 from Kamal Limited. The payment of Kamal Limited made by issuing equity share of 100 each. Pass journal entry in the book of Vimal Limited for the purchase of machinery and the issue of share. When share issued at par and when share issued at a premium of 25%. Vimal Limited purchased machinery for 9,90,000 from Kamal Limited. Here vendor is Kamal Limited and your entry will pass in the book of Vimal Limited. In the books of Vimal Limited. First of all, assets purchased for 9,90,000. Then your entry will be passed. Assets account debit. Assets account debit to vendor. Vendor name Kamal Limited. Vendor name Kamal Limited. 9,90,000. 9,90,000 for narration. For purchase of plant and machinery. Here you can use word, instead of assets you can use word plant and machinery. No payment were made in cash, all of through the issuing shares. Then first of all, in first case share issued at par. First of all, we calculate number of shares. Number of shares at par. Vendor. Here vendor is 9,90,000 divided by face value 100. Result 9,900 shares. Your entry will be passed. Case 1. Vendor Kamal Limited debit vendor is 9,90,000 to share capital account, equity share capital account, number of share into face value 9,90,000. Number of share into face value. Case second. If share issued at premium of 25%, first of all we calculate percent 25%. 25% of 100 is 25. First of all we calculate number of shares. Here narration for payment made by issuing share at par. In second case, first of all we calculate number of share issued at premium. Now vendor divided by vendor 9,90,000 divided by face value plus premium. Face value 100, premium 25. 125. 5, 3, 9, 6, 0, 5, 7, 3, 2, 0. 7,320 shares. Then your entry will be made. Vendor account debit 7,920. Sorry. Vendor account debit. Vendor name Kamal Limited. Debit 9,90,000 to equity share capital account 7,92,000 number of share multiplied by face value to security premium reserve account remaining 1,98,000. Narration for payment made by issuing share at premium. For payment made by issuing share at premium. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.